Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can invite your contacts to Zoom. So to invite your contacts to Zoom, open your Zoom app and under Team Chat tab, click on this plus sign. Then select Invite New Contacts. Here, write the email address of the person you want to invite, and also you can write a message with it if you want. Then click on Send. Now the invitation to connect has just been sent, which you can check under Contact Requests. Also, if for some reason you want to cancel, you sure can. On the other hand, when the person will check his emails, he may already have received an invitation email. And when he will click on this View Invitation button, he will be prompted to sign into his Zoom account if he hasn't already. Here, instead of signing into Zoom on the web, I'm signing into Zoom app first. Here under External, you can check contact requests, which you can either accept or decline. Now I'm signing into Zoom account on the web. And as soon as you will sign into your account on the web, it will give you this message to accept or decline the invitation. Since I want to accept, I'm clicking on Accept. Now click on Launch Zoom and it will open the Zoom app. And here you can see that the invitation has already been accepted. And you can click on Start Chat to start your communication. Moreover, you can click on this icon to make video calls. Anyhow, this is how you can invite your contacts to Zoom, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.